Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Asugari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is 2024 Pasilip Messages for the Year of Wooden Dragon for the sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading isa generally din lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik digdig nag-uuma po manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating 2024 Pasilip Messages for the Year of Wooden Dragon. So umpisahan na natin. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ka ng pasabog-bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid natin dyan, Gemini. Okay. Get more information, Angel Spirit Guide. There is a Four of Pentacles. So, sinasabi dito, protectionan mo yung finances mo, no? Mag-budget ka. Ingatan mo yung pera. No? This coming 2024, sinasabi sa'yo dito na there is a savings and budget, no? Kaya maging aware ka na sa paggastos. And of course, there's what is additional messages. And of course, there's an Eight of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan yung pakawalan na yung negativities or toxicities, no? Kasi napapalibutan ka raw ng toxic energy, guys. So, kailangan yung pag-ingatan, no? Na yung finances mo, no? And of course, there is some Empress card, a renewal, no? A revert. Maaaring magkakaroon daw kayo ng, maaaring magbubukas kayo ng bagong negosyo this coming 2024 or something na magkakaroon kayo ng bagong negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay na kumaga renewal to or something pagbabago. And of course, there's a Queen of Swords. There's a bigger picture. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumaga makikita mo na yung life purpose mo, no? Kung ano talaga yung magiging plano mo, no? What is additional messages? And of course, there's the Moon card. There's a truth reveal. And of course, there's a lot of revelations, no? Marami kang malalaman dito at there's a mystery behind na kumbaga malalaman mo na this coming 2024. Kumbaga, and of course, there's a dreams coming true, no? Mayroon ka din daw mga pangarap na matutupad dito. Or there's a wishes, rather. And of course, there's a Ten of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, yung mga burdens and of course obligations. So, sinasabi dito na maaaring matapos na. And at the same time, sinasabi ng Ten of Wands dito, kumbaga, yung bigat at pasanin na pinagdadaanan nyo ay maaari nang matapos, no? So, let's see what is the Four of Pentacles. And because there is a Tower moment, there's a sudden changes, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na kailangan yung baguhin pagdating sa pag-budget, no? Kasi may mali kayong strategy ginagawa. So, this is the moment na kailangan nyo nang baguhin para nang sa ganun na ito, destruction na to ay maging revealed or, kumbaga, magbuo ng panibagong eksena. And because there's a Seven of Wands, so sinasabi dito, protect your power, protect your energy. Protectionan mo yung sarili mo sa mga toxicities around you. Kasi there's a lot of toxic, like a toxic friends, toxic family, excuse me, toxic family, and toxic surroundings and environment. So, just be careful, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's Nine of Wands. So, there's a final push. So, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, kailangan nyo pang pursigihin. Kumbaga, there's a success driving. Kumbaga, malapit na kayo sa success. At the same time, kumbaga, step by step, no? Kasi makakapagbuo at makakapagbukas ka rin ng bagong negosyo. So, let's see what is the Queen of Swords. And of course, there is a Three of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin ng Three of Pentacles, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. So, alam mo na yung plano mo, no? At this coming 2024, talagang sisimulan mo na. no? At uumpisan mo na magbukas ng bagong negosyo or maghahanap ka na ng trabaho, no? So let's see what is the dreams for the moon card. So, for there's a freedom. So, ibig sabihin talagang makakalaya ka na sa mga toxics, no, na nasa paligid mo. And of course, sinasabi dito na parang bibigyan ka ng opportunity ng langit dito na matutupad mo yung pangarap mo. At the same time, there's a Nine of Pentacles. Kumbaga, there's a blossoming abundance. So, hindi sa lahat ng panahon, gipit ka. So, this is the moment na, kumbaga, yung obligations na yan and responsibilities na yan, kumbaga, matatapos na yan, at the same time magbo-blossom na yan at mamumukadkad na ang finances mo. So let's see what is the Four of Pentacles in the Tower moment. So there's a Six of Swords, there's a transition, no? Kumaga may sinasabi ko, 'di ba? May mga bagay na kailangan yung baguhin, yung strategy nyo, how to hold your finances, expense your expenses, something na yung mga bagay na alam mo walang kabuluhan, no? Iwasan na yung gumastos ng mga bagay na alam nyo hindi nyo naman kailangan or something, or much better na mag-invest or something, mag-budget kayo. So let's see what is the Eight of Swords and the Seven of Wands. And of course, there is a Knight of Swords. So there is a success talaga coming in for you na palapit na ng palapit na may mga bagay na kailangan nyo proteksyonan, di ba? Kasi yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan nyo all at once, kumbaga, kayo talaga yung nagpursige at kayo talaga yung bumuo niya, kaya kailangan maging aware ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo, even your friends, di ba? Kasi there is a lot of parasites, friends, na kumbaga nandyan lang kapag kailangan ng tulong. And at the same time, nandyan lang kapag sila ang may kailangan. Pag ikaw na, wala, diba? And of course, din sabi dito, there's a star card, kumbaga, there's a wishes coming true, there's a miracles and hope, na sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a Nine of Wands, there's a resilience, no? Kailangan mo maging tahimik lang. Hindi mo kailangan maging bulkaran. Para nasa ganon, mga plano mo magtuloy-tuloy. Kasi nagkakaroon ng delays and cancellation that because of nagkukwento ka. Yung mga plano mo hindi pa natutupad at hindi pa nagagawa, kumbaga may mga humahad lang na. So this is the moment na sinasabi sa'yo dito na gawin mo muna, no? Tuparin mo muna bago mo ikwento. Kasi nang sa ganon, 'di ba? Hindi na nila makakadlangan. So let's see what is the Queen of Swords and of course the Three of Pentacles. So there's a Ten of Cups. So there is a happiness coming in for you. Kumbaga magiging masaya ka dito na dahil nabuo mo at natupad mo yung plano mo. So there is some freedom because the Moon card. So, there is a Nine of Pentacles. So, there is a practicality. So, sinasabi dito, pagdating sa finances, kailangan secure ka. And of course, there is a dreams. Kumbaga, dapat kung alam mo may pangarap ka, unti-unti mo nang mag-ipon, magtabi, or something na pagplanuhan ng maayos nang sa ganun matupad mo as soon as possible. So, there is a Ten of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. Alam nyo guys, itong Gemini na, itong pagpasok na 2024, parang ang pinaka ano nito, no, ang message for you is a dream coming true, no? And of course, there's some, kumbaga, ano siya eh, there is some information na sinasabi na, yung plano mo, no, kumbaga, kailangan mo ayusin, at kailangan mong, magtiyaga, no? So, let's see what is the Ten of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. And because there's a Queen of Pentacles, there's a practicality and good sense pagdating sa finances, no? Pagdating sa business, no? Kumbaga, sa business naman talaga kasi walang kapatid, walang kahit na sino dyan, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo, business is a business. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Three of Wands. So, there's a waiting for a result or waiting for a shift. Because there's a, the Knight of Cups. There's an offer, no? An offer. And because sinasabi dito, there's a lot of sneakiness around you, no? Maraming offer at the same time, maraming sneakiness. And there's a waiting for a result or waiting for a shift. Ano to? Seven of Wands, ay Seven of Swords. Ano to? Cheating or lying or something ba to? Let's see, para maklarify natin what is the Seven of Swords. Okay, there's a partnership. So some of you, it's either a relationship, kumbaga this coming 2024, some of your person baka mag-cheat or something, magsinungaling behind your back. Or something, there's a partnership or something, a friend na kumbaga manghiram, mangutang, tapos 'di ba? Kumbaga, lokohin ka or something ganon. Kumbaga, there's an seven of swords, mag-ingat dito ha. Kumbaga, either mag-ingat din baka there's an investments ka. Parang paalala to sa'yo. Pero don't you worry, there's a dream coming true. Pero sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, may paalala lang, no? Ng ating mga gabay na be aware sa mga investments, mga, lalo-lalo na kapag may money involved. Mag-ingat. So, let's see what is Yin and Yang Oracle card. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Okay, there's a thought. So, some of you, sinasabi dito na ingatan mo, and of course, kumbaga, maging aware ka sa mga iniisip mo, no? Baka yun yung mag-cause ng toxic. Kasi there is a toxic behavior, something. And of course, there's a reflection and project. So, some of you ha, baka yun nga sinasabi dito, there's a mirror and reflection. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a mirroring. So, kumbaga sinasabi dito with your person na kumbaga, kung may asawa ka or may partner ka, be aware, no? Sa pagkakaroon ng cheating or lying. Kasi there's a reflection. Baka mag-reflect lang din sa'yo kung ano yung mga sinasabi mo. See, there's a divine intervention. And divine intervention is paalala. Paalala to ng ating divine na having faith, no? Maging, kumbaga, magtiwala at maniwala. Diba? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga, there's a divine intervention, there's a success coming your way. Pero there's more. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Okay, there's a Cupid arrow. So, sinasabi na have faithful, love is coming. So, if you are single, so ibig sabihin may taong darating na magmamahal sa'yo, hindi lang magpapakilig sa'yo, no? Kundi magmamahal sa'yo. And there's a lot of surprises. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is an engagement. Some of you talaga may something union, something a partnership, and of course, there's a love call. Talagang may love involvement dito. Now, there's a messages of love. So, there's a lot of expression. So, let's see what is magical fairy messages. What is the magical fairy messages? So, there's a children. Some of you may kinalaman ng children. Or some of you baka may mga anak na kayo, no? Kumbaga, ingatan kasi baka nagre-reflect sa inyong mga supling, no? Ang inyong mga ginagawa. And of course, your connections with children is a part of your life purpose. Talagang kasama talaga dito. So, there's a lot of obligation rather. Because there's a walking away. So, leave the unhealthy situation and enjoy the new doors that open a result. See? Kumbaga, some of you baka naranasan na yung magkaroon ng cheating or lying, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon na ng deception or depression that because of betrayal. So, sinasabi dito, walking away. Mas maganda na raw, kung hindi na healthy yung isang situation o yung isang relationship, much better, no, na mag-walking away ka na, no? And of course, enjoyin mo yung new doors na darating sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Let's see what is the Romance Angels. Romance Angel represent forgiving and learning. So, meron talagang pinagdaanan, no? Talaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong, bago pumasok ang 2024, na kailangan mo na i-release lahat. Yung pain, yung, pagpapatawad. So, sinasabi dito, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. So, hanggat hindi ka kasi nakakalimot o hindi ka nakakaalis sa sitwasyon ng nakaraan, hindi mo makikita ang tunay na kaligayahan na darating sa kinabukasan. Diba? So, let's see what is the energy. Energy. There is a financial constraint. So, some of you kumaga, nakakaranas ngayon ng financial loss. Pero this coming 2024, maging aware na, diba? Dapat alam nyo na yung mga pinagdaanan nyo pagdating. I told you, there's a strategy. So, yun yung sinasabi ko, diba? Mali ang ginawa, mali yung paggamit nyo or mali yung strategy nyo pagdating sa finances. No? Hindi nyo pinag-isipan na walang planado, no? At walang plano dito. And of course, kumbaga, mali yung mali yung, kumbaga sa math equations, no? And of course, there's the word curl. So, sinasabi ng the word curl, there's a lot of trouble coming in for you. So, let's see what is the chakra. There's a rejection. Some of you marunong ka din dapat humindi, no? Lalo sa mga tao sa paligid mo na bumubuyo sa'yo, no? Understood. And of course, there's a perseverance. See, I told you, kailangan nyo magtiyaga. 'Di ba? Sa isang bagay. Kung gusto niyo talaga yung isang bagay na yon, pagtiyagaan niyo. And of course, there's a discovery. Marami ka pang madi-discover sa sarili mo, sa kakayanan mo, skills or abilities mo, even sa mga tao sa paligid mo. No? Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's an inner truth. So, malalaman mo ang katotohanan. And of course, there's a transformation. Oh my God. There's a transformations na magaganap ngayon. At the same time, there's a spirituality. So, ilapit mo yung sarili mo sa ating Panginoon. No? Gawin mo sentro ng sa ganun hindi ka maligaw ng landas. Additional messages. And of course, there's a counseling. See, makinig ka sa inner voice mo. Even the advices na alam mong binibigay sa'yo ng mga tao sa paligid mo na alam mong in a good way, no? In a good way. Alam mo na yung tama't mali. And of course, there is a family. So, there is a family involvement talaga dito, no? Either nagkaroon ng separation or something problema. Pero at the end of the time, kumbaga, kung alam yung this is the unhealthy, no? Kumbaga, pakawalan. And of course, your commitment is being tested. Some of you kumbaga, subok na ang inyong relasyon. Nangyari na yan, naganap na yan. So, be it, diba? And of course, you are good enough, no? Pagdating sa sapat ka na daw, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And adversity, kumbaga, there's an accept challenges, the best way to learn. No, dapat tinatanggap mo yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo. Kasi may mga bagay na dapat mong matutunan dyan. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages. And of course, there's fall into my arms, extreme of life, surrender. 'Di ba? May mga bagay na kailangan mong bitawan, may mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan, lalo-lalo na kung alam mong, 'di ba, hindi na siya nagwo-work. So let's see Arcangel Raphael messages for you. And relationship, there's an information talaga, may relationship involvement talaga dito. There's a family, children's, or something na involved dito. And of course, sinasabi din dito, what is Arcangel Michael messages for you? There's a guarded and protected. So, sinasabi dito, you are also protected at guard, no? And you're on the right path. Nabasa mo at napanood mo tong reading nito at talagang tumugma sa'yo. Nasa tamang direction ka. 'Di ba? Nauunawaan mo na ngayon yung kaganapan, 'di ba? May mali kasi sa ginagawa nyo. And of course, there is your inner guidance is really trustworthy, no? Yung mga gabay mo, pagkakatiwalaan mo yan. 'Di ba? So, let's see what is the angel's answer. So, mag-isip ka kung ano yung magiging question mo. Malay mo, ito yung magiging sagot, no? This is the angel's answer. Mag-isip po kayo ng tanong, no? 1, 2, 3. So, let's see. What is the angel's answer? There's something better, no? So, some of you guys there's something better. No, and of course, there's get more information. May kailangan pang malaman na impormasyon at kumbaga there's something better, kumbaga may maganda pang mas kahihinatnan or something na may mga bagay na maganda pang mangyayari, gano'n. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Heal the sick that they're in, and say unto them, the kingdom of God come into you. So, you see, kapag gagaling ka daw sa anumang uri na sugat or anumang karamdaman na nararamdaman mo ngayon, na maaaring malalim yan, pero darating yung araw na ihilom din yan. No? At kumbaga, pinapakita lang sa'yo ni God yung mga bagay-bagay na alam niyang matututunan mo at malalaman mo. No? At bibit-bitin mo yan sa mga susunod na panahon. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Angel's number, angel's peace messages, given information. So, let's see. There's an 888. Wow! My God, Peroti. Pero, so let's see. As you focus on all of that wonderful things that surrounds you, you are clearing the path of more positive energy to flow into all areas of your life and creating a place for abundance. See? Ikaw kasi nagkikreate ng mga bagay. Kung ikaw ay naghahatak ng negativities, negative ang magiging result. So, sinasabi ko sa'yo dito, ngayon 2024 pa lang, tapusin mo na yan. So, wag mo nang antayin na pumasok ka sa 2024 na nandiyan ka pa rin sa situation. So, ibig sabihin dito, protectionan mo ang magiging future mo. Because this coming 2024, a transformation coming in for you. A dream coming true. A star and wishes that brings you a life changes. Ganon. So, let's see what is the messages of life. What is the messages of life? So, sinasabi dito, there is an application. So, sinasabi dito, today, I apply all that I have learned during my spiritual guest. I practice love in my daily life. I allow my inner light to lift my thoughts. As I do so, the law of universal love take root in my life. See? I-apply mo yung mga bagay na natutunan mo, no? Kumbaga, wag mong kalimutan, wag mong i-reject lahat ng bagay na yan kasi mabdadala mo at mabibitbit mo yan at para hindi na muling mangyari sa mga susunod na eksena. Diba? Ganun lang yon. May kung ano man yung pagkakamali mo, dapat mong iisalang-alang at dapat mong matutunan kung ano yung pagkakamali mong napagdaanan at nagawa. So guys, this is 2024 Pasilip messages for Year of the Wooden Dragon for the sign of Gemini. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!